Hey guys, in this video we want to explain to you how to fix your earbuds in case one of them is suddenly significantly quieter than the other. And this fix works independent of the earbud brand that you're using as well as the shape. For example, we have here these truly wireless earbuds with the silicone tip, but also here these wired earbuds that are kind of Airpod shaped. Now, while this fix works for most people, please consider that your earbuds may have a different problem causing the same kind of symptom. And the issue that we are looking at in this video mostly occurs to earbuds that have been used for quite a while. And the problem is that the opening where the sound is supposed to come out of is getting clogged with earwax and dirt and grime. Now, what is the best way to clean this up? In case your earbuds have these silicone ear tips, then you should first take these off and wash these separately, like under lukewarm water. But you probably don't want to try the same thing with the earbuds themselves, since most models are still not waterproof. Now, in the first method that I want to show you, I am using some alcohol in order to clean up the opening. I'm simply soaking here a piece of paper towel with the alcohol, and then we're going to dab the opening of the earbud until it is clean. While doing this, just make sure that there's no excess alcohol coming out of the paper towel and running into the inside of the earbud. Now, in case you don't have alcohol available, then you can just use some simple hot water and add a little bit of dish soap into it. And then we can either use the same process by using a paper towel, then we can just dunk the clogged hole of the earbud just into the water, just so that it reaches in there, and we're going to stir it around a little bit until all of the dirt and grime resolves. And this is really all we have to do to fix the problem with the QUIET earbud. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.